Hi Justin. Hello from another Commodore aficionado from Holland this time. And well, you asked me to give you a small tour, or your viewers, my man cave / shop / storage / complete mess now and then. So let's do that. Well, let's start the tour with the arcade corner. This is the retro game couch. Find these guys on YouTube, they're great. So there's some decoration mostly here. Some weird stuff, neon, television, some Star Trek, wherever old stuff I can find. It doesn't fall down. My favorite Zack McCracken poster. Some guns, maybe Vectrex, or some Ataris. That's very fun. Game Gear, joysticks. Okay. There's a 1-Up arcade, custom-made Space Invaders arcade, some more cabinets, pinballs, my favorite VR racer, boat simulator, which has PlayStation 4s in it, quite fun, monitors, types, Apple, Commodore, my trusty blue 1084, took it everywhere, now it resides here. More arcades. This is sort of the public part of my man cave. I'm adjacent to a what do you call it? Furniture store. This is my huge racer. Slot cars. It's quite fun. Classic Sega. Japanese drum game. Super Sprint. I'm restoring that one because it's quite bad. The stickers. Electronics are good. So this is the outside. Show you a bit of the outside. More arcades. The name of my man cave. Very colorful. C64. So this is for the public. A couple of pinballs, stuff that goes out to Australia in this case. Gambling machine, love those. I'm building a outdoor video wall, so there's lots of panels here. These are quite cute. The left one is an AMIGA 600 with its CRT. Loads of games. That's an Xbox. Here I watch my old DVDs and CDIs and some Atari games. Okay, the entrance, the office, Mega Drive games, some Amiga stickers, an old project for Boomerang, keys to my arcades, nice 70s wallpaper, Amiga games, some coffee, iced coffee of course. These are all original boxed games for Amiga. This PC mainly. it's a bit messy here. Stuff comes in and goes out all the time. My 3D printer, which I use to print replacement parts for Commodore 64s, hinges and stuff. Casablanca, which is quite an interesting non-linear editing system based on AMIGA OS and architecture. 1541 drives, parts for 1571, 1541 2, all working, just came in. Random stuff, part of my collection. I'm trying to find all the original boxes, if possible in mint condition, which is extremely tough because I am trying to keep the budget small as possible, and then you gotta be lucky. But there's some nice stuff in here, and weird stuff like the pencil too. Check it out. It's almost nothing to find about it. Spectrum, Sinclairs, Vectrexes, Commodore 1570, nice mint G, Commodore 64G. More boxes, Ataris, Amigas, part of the collection. Could show those all in detail, but it'll take hours. It's random stuff like this. Handhelds, Russian Spectrum, Vega, Atari 400, reseller's case, some Chinese stuff, more handhelds, and the Milton Bradley original board games. It's my Monkey Island shrine, with of course the rum. Amiga stuff, Power Stick, random stuff, all with a little story behind them, like this anniversary holographic cube from Commodore, and of course original box, the Indiana Jones and deluxe paints. Well, that's sort of the very messy office. These are the relics from Amiga 30, where people put their signatures and handles on them. Now for the storage part. Oh, almost forgot. Pets. This is the big computer section. Pets. More pets. There's a pet. There's a pet. My nice SX64. Or Casablanca. Draco, which is a AMIGA OS based non-linear editor with an 060. It's a beast. Okay, so this is the storage. Books. Hundreds of Commodore related books. Mostly in German, but some Dutch and some English. This is the Drive Tribe, as I call it, where I store all the working and non-working drives, boxed if possible, and also the tape decks. Nice classic racer. Sinclair section. Stray BBC in there. QLs. Here we get to the Amiga 500 section. SDs. More software. A bit more Sinclair. Plus 4. MSX. More MSX. PlayStation 1 parts. MSX. Games, C64 games, Amiga games, joysticks. This all came in 2 weeks ago. So I still have to sort it out a little. Lots of these joysticks, which are obviously the best one. Suzo arcades. Check them out. This is all Commodore 64 software. original software, tape, disc, cards, Pong machines, all shapes and sizes. They multiply each night, I think. Some random stuff. ColecoVisions, Atari, 7800s, game consoles, PS2. My old fridge filled with floppies. We'll get it here, more storage. The empty boxes I got in last week. This is the 128D section, all the 128s, main boards, cases, systems, parts, keys, AMIGA parts, like main boards, keyboards, add-ons, you name it. I might have got it. A couple of towered A1200s, 128s, PSUs, about a kilo. C64 section, software, C64 software. Find what's in there. Yeah. Tapes. This is console section, NES, Atari, Xbox, Famicom, Vectrex, DS, a couple of DS's, Game Boys, 2600, full fit with 2600 games, a couple hundred of those here. One of the first VFX VR helmets on the market. Bearing that one. All types and sizes of joysticks. This is the NES section. Everything neatly packed. 2600, PlayStation 1, etc. Here we are in the Apple section. All the machines. There's a Lisa somewhere in here as well. Apple II. Parts, drives, all sorts. GS's. All their laptops. PowerPC. This is actually the one that was owned by Duran Duran. So I really have to check out the hard drive if there's something on there. Then we get the best section. AMIGA. Original boxes. This one's aftermarket. But still very pretty. There's AMIGA 4000s in here. They're being recapped by TSB. AMIGA 2000s. More Apple. This is 64 section. Printer parts. Keyboards. Cleaned. More keyboards. This is the fun one. It's a media system by Commodore. Made in I think late 90s. The gravel. Or early 2000, not sure. It's crap anyway. It bears the brand and that's it. That's why I have it. Covers. Here's new and shiny keyboards. 1200s. There's 600s here. 1200 parts, turbos. A520s. 4000s. C16, VIC-20, +4 section. These all hold C64Cs. Nicely cleaned, wrapped, boxed. Bread bins. Types and cases. Low serial 1, serial number 7084. That's a nice silver label. More original boxes. Here we are in the repairs section, where stuff gets tested. And as you can see, there's a lot to test. All types of systems, mostly 64s and 28s, some Ataris, Sega Mega Drives, AMIGA 1000s, ready to ship. Monitors, chip supply, well, more spare parts. As we get further to the back, it's getting messier, obviously. Projects, PC stuff. A Le Mans 24, which I'm restoring. More arcades. Very classic old racer from the 70s. That's all cases, 64 cases. Spare ones, broken ones, repairable ones. More Apple systems. A box collection. And of course, new boxes for AMIGA 1200 or whatever you got, AMIGA 1000, CD, TV. Loads of new boxes. They're on my website, so they're great. Joysticks. Well, I think that's about it. That's it. That's a goodbye from Holland.